In homework 7.1, we are remembering how to do exponential functions. The first thing we have done this problem before in class and on earlier homeworks, but let's make sure we still know how to do it. We're making a table to graph. So when x is -3, we're plugging this in. Remember that 3 to the negative third power, anything to a negative power, is 1 over 3 to the third. This is not a negative number. It's a fraction. It's 1 over 27. So 1 over 27, I'll let you do the other fractions by yourself. Remember that when x is 3 to the 0th power, anything to the 0th power, when x is 0, we're doing 3 to the 0th power. Anything to the 0th power is 1, not 0. 3 to the 1 power is just 3. 3 squared means 3 times 3, which is 9. I'll let you fill in the rest of the table yourself. So when x is -3, y is 1/27. That is very, very low. When x is 0, y is 1. When x is 1, y is 3. When x is 2, y is 9. This gives us our basic shape, even without filling in the rest of the table. You should remember that exponential functions have this asymptote at y equals 0. I'll let you do the domain and the range yourself. Number 2, it says at 8 a.m. you brush your teeth. After brushing your teeth, there are 200 bacteria left in your mouth. So this is the number of bacteria. This is the time. At 8 a.m. there are 200 bacteria there. And it says the bacteria double every half of an hour. So that multiplies by 2. Double means multiply by 2. So at 8:30 there are 400. At 9 a.m. there are 800. Now we need to be careful. It doubles every half of an hour, and it's a note the table is not increasing at a constant interval. So we need to think that from 9 to 9:30, it's going to be 1600. And then from 9:30 to 10, that's another half hour, it'll be 3200. So we need to be careful that we see how many half hours, because every half hour it's doubling. I'll let you finish that off on your own. This last problem, let's remember from Algebra 1, says you have $800, so when 0 days pass by, you had $800. Each day you spend half of your money. So since you spend half your money, you only have half of it left each time. And so after 1 day, we'll only have $400 left. After 2 days, we only have $200 left. After 3 days, $100 left, etc. The equation, this is an exponential equation because there's a constant multiplier. It's multiplying by 1/2. And let's remember from Algebra 1 that when we have an exponential function, we write y equals the constant multiplier to the x power. The reason we do this is because however big x is, that's how many times you will multiply by 1/2. The other thing is you look at your y-intercept. When x is 0, anything to the 0th power is 1, and we need to get to 800, so we multiply by 800. 800 times 1 is 800. When x is 0, anything to the 0 is 1. 1 times 800 is 800. And this is the exponential equation. The y-intercept goes right here, and the multiplier goes right here to the x power. Hopefully that helps.